Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my last video, I did a first impression testing out the TLM color changing skin matching foundation. So if you want to see that video, make sure you click the link in the cards. Wait a second, is the cards over here? No, the card's over here, right? Click the link in the cards to check that out. I do have it on right now, but I wanted to finish up my makeup, but because I was taking forever talking about this foundation and testing it out, I decided to make this its own separate video, and then me finishing up my makeup another separate video. So that's what we're doing today. So in this video, I'm just going to be getting ready, showing you some new products. Look at how cute these little guys are. These are from DAHLIA and I've never used them, so I wanted to use these before. These are eyeshadow palettes, you guys. Look how cute they're. It's like a bento box style. If you're familiar with like what a bento box is, it's like a Japanese lunchbox with many compartments. It's so cute. So if you're interested in just hanging out with me as I get ready and seeing these cute little palettes, then just keep on watching. But of course, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. I can't remember what video it was, but I know I've been talking a lot about how I've been doing my brows, and I've only actually showed you guys one time in a video. And just in case not everyone has seen that video, I wanted to show it again. I am using the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel in light brown. You can find it on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. But I actually like using this with a angled brush and brushing the product through my hair. And the reason I decided to start applying it this way is because I actually really like this product. I like the color of it on my brows, but I don't like to brush the wand through my brow hair because I feel like it's not a precise application. And sometimes I really want to define my brows a bit, so that's why I like using the brush, and it just works perfectly. Brows done. So I've let this TLM foundation color changing skin matching thing set into my skin for a little bit, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face with some concealer. This is the Collab No Flaws liquid concealer. I just like that it's like a very lightweight concealer that just brightens up my eyes, and the shade I'm in is beige tan, which is weird. I feel like I've mentioned this before, but if you are buying products from Collab Makeup, their shade names are a little bit off. I normally never anything beige tan. That usually is too dark for me, but with this product it's perfect. So I'm just going to apply the concealer where I normally apply, so under the eyes. I don't have like dark circles, but I just like to keep the under eyes very bright to make me look, you know, more awake, more alive, more healthy. Okay, just like that. And for powder, I have been using a lot. I'm sure you guys have been, maybe you're sick of seeing this. It's the It's Bananas setting powder in banana cream from Too Faced Cosmetics. I just feel like a banana colored powder is just flattering on my warmer skin tone. So I'm just using this to set the T-zone area, like the center of my face, and then under my eyes. Definitely want to get under the eye area, because if not, the concealer is just going to slip and slide. And then I also go on my eyelids too. Can you guys guess what bronzer I'm using? If you know me, you know that it's going to be the Wet n Wild You're Dragging Me Down bronzer. My favorite. Look, the lid is like broken. It's attached just by this little sticker. I just love this bronzer so much. I just applied way too much. What is wrong with me? I got way too excited. Just be sure to blend it out. When you make mistakes like that, just keep blending. You will live, you will survive, everything will be okay. Just don't grab any more product, and then you just keep working and blending it all around. Oh, you know what? Also, I think it's looking even darker because this foundation that I'm trying out made my skin look extra pale. So I think that's why the contrast is a lot darker than usual, but it's okay. So as you can see, I focus it on like my cheek, under my cheekbones, and then I drag it up to the temple and forehead, and then whatever is left I go on the jawline. So this is not really a focal point for me, it's just kind of like whatever's left over, let's just bring it under here. What I do like to do is take a little bit, just a tiny bit, and go down the sides of my nose just very, very lightly, and just add a little bit of definition to my nose. Perfect! For blush, I am going to use the e.l.f. Modern Metals Blush Palette. So if you watched the video I uploaded not too long ago, I uploaded this Monday. It was a full face of drugstore makeup featuring the e.l.f. Modern Metals collection. So I used the eyeshadow palette and the lip products. I totally did not even use this palette in that video. I forgot that this was part of the collection. But I think these colors are so beautiful. We are going to do a mix of these two shades, these two bottom shades right here. I'm gonna apply that to my cheekbones. Oh, and a little on the nose. Can't forget the nose. And then I kind of dust my chin and forehead too, just to kind of even everything out. Share the love, you know? Sharing is caring, so just add some there too. Ooh, I really love that. This is such a good palette. I'm going to use the highlighter in the palette. It looks white-ish, like yellowy white-ish in the pan, but it comes off more like golden, I feel like. So just popping that on the cheekbones and a little bit on my brow bone area. Let's add some to the tip of the nose, down the bridge, and the Cupid's bow. Okay, so our face is done. We've got our eyebrows on. Now I want to try out these Dear Dahlia eyeshadow palettes. They are so freaking adorable. I've had these for the longest time just sitting in my collection. I went to, oh my gosh, what was it called? Consumer, blah, 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 blah. I can't remember. I went to an event though with my friend Jessica, and it was basically an expo convention type thing where you can go and there's a bunch of brands, like different booths, and you can check them out, and they're more like smaller indie brands, so you can really discover new brands. And so this was one of the brands that were there, and I absolutely fell in love with their packaging. They are a Korean brand, I believe, and cruelty-free, and their packaging is all like marbled, and it's beautiful. I have some of their lipsticks. Actually, no, I got rid of the lipsticks. The shades just weren't my cup of tea, but I kept some of these eyeshadow palettes though because they're just so cute. So it's like a bento box style. These are called the Paradise Dual Palette. You open it up. There's one side that has like two different eyeshadows, and these both look matte. They look matte. And then you have this tiny little mirror, which, let's be real, I cannot use this. This is way too tiny, but it's cute. And then it's like a double-sided mirror. And then on the other side, you have a shimmer shadow. So like, isn't that just so cute? Like you can open that up, just get one shadow, or like, you know what I mean? Like that's just adorable. So this combo right here is Cocoa Delight. And then I have another one here that I really like. This one is called Caramel Slice. Ooh, these look like really, really, really pretty. So I feel like I want to use a mix of both of these. So let's try it out, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to pop this in my crease, kind of like the transition color. Oh, you know what? Let's zoom you in. I'm so rude. Let's zoom you in. Hi there. So we've got that in the crease. It just gave a little bit of warmth and definition. And we're going to do the same over here on the next side. And because it's such a soft color, I'm not really being too precise with this. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Cocoa Delight palette. I want to take the darker shade here on a standard blending brush. We're going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye and outer crease. So we're just adding like some more definition, a little kind of smoky, subtle smokiness to the eye. Imagine traveling with this. Like, this is so tiny and perfect, especially if you're someone who kind of just like rocks the same type of makeup look on the daily. Like, you're just everyday kind of makeup is the same, this would be perfect to travel with. Okay, let's add a little bit of glam now, shall we? So we've got 2 shimmers to choose from. I kind of want to do this one, I kind of want to do this one. So what do? I use both. Okay, I'm going to start out with the darker one from the Cocoa Delight. I'm going to take this on a flat shader brush and I'm going to put this on the outer half of the eyelid. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is like glitter shimmer. It's gorgeous and it like is sticking to my eyelid so well without any like adhesive. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now going in with the caramel swirl, or no, caramel slice, sorry. The caramel slice palette. I'm gonna take the light shimmer shade. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Pop that on the inner half of the eye. Oh, love this look. Even traveling with 2 of these tiny little guys is still saving you up so much room in your travel bag. And look, you get to have like this really pretty glam glitter look. Woo! I'm going to also go back in with the Cocoa Delight palette and my standard blending brush and take this lighter shade. It's more of like a mauvey brown sort of. I want to add that all around the crease. Just add a little more definition. I'm going to take the darker shade on a little pencil brush and drag this on the lower lash line, just keeping it here on the outer corner. I gotta say, I am really liking these little bento box palettes. I don't know why they don't call it bento box palette. They call it Paradise Dual palette, but it's so cute and I really am happy with the quality of these colors. I feel like they're very natural and easy to work with. Let me go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera and I will be right back and we will go ahead and work on the lips. I haven't even pulled the lip product out. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so for eyeliner on the lower lash line, just in case anyone wanted to know, I use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Double Life, which is kind of like a copper brown that I put on the waterline, and I didn't do any on the upper lash line, and I just did mascara, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is my current favorite, and that is it for the eyes. So now let's move on to the lips and then we will be done with this look. I wanted to use this lipstick from CoverGirl. I haven't tried it yet. This is from the Full Spectrum collection in the shade Prodigy, and I just felt like this might look nice with this look, but I wanted to do a lip liner, and I don't know how this color is going to turn out because it looks brown over here, but then looks more rosy over here. But this is from Mellow Cosmetics. I've never used this before, but it's the lip pencil in the shade Harper. So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, I think this is going to be a good color. So it's definitely more like the rosy kind of mauve shade that it looks like up here. It does not look like this brown shade. So that is not accurate. But now let's try the lipstick. So I'm just going to put this right on top. I like that it gives kind of like this glossy look. So this is the completed look. I feel like I want to keep the little cat ears. I feel like it looks really cute right now with this look. So I'm going to keep the cat ears with this look. But that is it for this hangout. Get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you want to see my full first impression of the foundation that I tried out in this look, make sure you click the link in the cards. It's a skin matching, color changing foundation. Shows up white, but it blends and matches to your skin tone. So if you want to see that, check it out over here. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!